Okay, here we are hiking the the South Hill off of High Drive. Some people call it the Bluff. Some people call High Drive. It's good, a lot of good mountain biking and hiking. Real popular with people walking their dogs, and including Enzo. It's his first time on this trail. He's pretty good at sticking with me. Hopefully we don't meet a pack of pit bulls or something, but anyway, I'll film as we go. Good boy, Enzo. He's very aware of where I'm at, because at times if he gets interested in something or gets a little too far away, I'll hide behind a tree or something, and he kind of stresses out a little bit, so it kind of keeps him aware of where I'm at. I did that with my last two Goldens, and they always need to know where I'm at if you do that. I don't know if you can see very well down there or not, but I'll get some more scenery pictures as we go. Here's Enzo waiting for me. Keep going, bud. Come on. All right, now we're going cross country to meet up with this other trail on our way back. There we go. Gotta film and try not to trip over Enzo. Good boy. Maybe I've hidden from him a little too much. He's sticking right at my feet. and the results from a nice long hike.
You tired? He's exhausted.